Yeah, we found another little area. You know what this reminds me of? High Falls. Let's see if y'all can see how rushing this is right here. Oh yeah. It looks like, oh, that's a good photo op. Right here. So we came down this little path and it's legitly dope. So this looks like a little dam area. Looks like this was an old mill or something. That's what my husband said. I'm gonna go with what he said. Oh, look at that. Real nice vibey. Very vibey. Now look at this, y'all. How dope.
You get on the other side too.
But it actually kind of lets you be able to get down on. Really? Right now? Look at this! How cool! I love it. Little old millage.
I bet it'd be cool to ride down on your kayak.
Heck yeah! You know how that feels already. That's how that Oconee rafting starts off on something like that. Let's go down here. Let's see. Ah! I guess we're gonna get our little nature hike. We don't have the dogs with us right now. They're at the house sleeping. Look at that. I brought the wrong shoes. And it's all graffitied up in there too, which I think is dope. This is so peaceful. Picnic. Except for the water. It does give me Dominica. I'm like, yo, this is giving me Dominica High Falls put together. Like, oh, look at the roots of the tree. Now that's an image. I mean, these roots are literally showing. And this is the tree. It's a sycamore tree. I find sycamore trees to be very sacred to my family because my great-grandfather planted one on our property. And so, yeah, I think it's a nice little sacred spot. Oh yeah. Look how beautiful, y'all. I could literally sit out here all day. But I got work to do. Some more trees with the roots. Sycamore trees. Babe, here's a piece of this looks Caribbean over here. Wow, look at this secret little hiding spots. Hey babe, over here is like Caribbean like. So look, oftentimes when we used to be in Dominica, you would come across like a little area like this in the beach. And it's like you felt like Pirates of the Caribbean because it is so secluded. But you still got the water and it's like nobody knows you're out here, you know? But I just think this is pretty dope. But I need to clean it up for our ocean vibes. But yes, I'm loving it. I think this is so cool. Sycamore trees everywhere. Gotta be careful because it's not all sand, it's kind of clay. We got shells in the ground. Nice little shells. Water's pretty clear. But it's flowing, of course. I think this is beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful.